Are you considering buying the iPhone 17 Pro in a vibrant orange? Hold that thought. There's a crucial issue you need to know about. Many users are reporting that the stunning orange color is fading to a pink hue. Initial excitement about this unique color has turned to disappointment. This discoloration primarily affects the anodized aluminum frame of the device. Users have taken to platforms like TikTok and Reddit to share their experiences. The pictures tell a striking story. The once bright orange finishes now resemble a soft rose gold. But that's not all. Some users notice the camera island has a different shade than the frame. This is concerning since many phones are often kept in protective cases. Reports suggest that contact with peroxide solvents or prolonged UV exposure are likely culprits behind this fading. It's surprising, considering how careful many are with their devices. To help care for your iPhone, Apple recommends using isopropyl alcohol wipes or Clorox wipes. However, it's vital to avoid bleach or hydrogen peroxide, as they could worsen the discoloration. Unfortunately, Apple hasn't directly addressed these concerns yet. This silence is disheartening for many who invested in this premium device. So, if you're thinking about picking up the iPhone 17 Pro in orange, you might want to reconsider. Choosing a different color or waiting for Apple's response could be a smart move. Stay informed about this situation and ensure you make the best choice for your next smartphone purchase.